Ever wonder what would happen if you could go back 10 years and start over, knowing what you know now? Imagine the wealth you could amass, the financial freedom you'd enjoy. Today, we'll explore 10 transformative money habits that can lead to sustainable wealth. These are the habits I wish I knew a decade ago, the ones that could have fast-tracked my journey to financial success. So, without further ado, let's jump into the first habit. The first habit is to automate your savings. Imagine if you treated your savings like a bill that you must pay. No excuses, no delays, just a non-negotiable monthly expense. This mindset shift can be a game changer. Let's delve into this concept. Think about setting up automatic bank transfers. It's like your money has a mind of its own, making its way from your paycheck to your savings account without you lifting a finger. It's a simple process that most banks offer, and it's a perfect way to ensure your savings grow consistently. You might be thinking, but I barely make ends meet. How can I save? That's where the beauty of automation comes in. Start small. Even if it's just 1% of your income, that's a good place to start. As you earn more, adjust the percentage. The key is consistency. It's time to take the guesswork out of saving. Make it a habit, make it automatic. Remember, a small amount saved regularly makes a big difference. Next up, learning to track every single dollar. Picture your income as a river. Each dollar is a droplet of water flowing in, but where does it all go? Without tracking, those droplets can disappear before you even notice, leaving you high and dry. This is where budgeting comes in. It's like a map for your money river, showing you where each droplet goes. It's not about restricting yourself, but rather understanding your cash flow. So how can you start tracking? There are many tools out there, from apps like YNAB to platforms like Notion. Even a simple Excel spreadsheet can do the job. The key is to make it a habit. Check in with your budget regularly, adjust when necessary, and keep a close eye on your spending. Knowledge is power. Knowing where your money goes gives you control over your financial future. Habit number 3, live below your means, but do it smartly. This isn't about penny pinching or denying yourself the things that bring you joy. It's about intentional spending, understanding the value of each dollar and where it goes. It's about cutting out the excess, the things you don't really need or that don't contribute to your happiness and well-being. You see, real wealth building is not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. And living below your means allows you to keep more of what you earn. It's about focusing on your financial priorities, investing in your future, and finding joy in the things that truly matter. Remember, rich people stay rich by acting broke, not by living a life of deprivation, but by making smart decisions with their money. So, the next time you're about to make a purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this? Living below your means doesn't mean living without joy. Our fourth habit is to build multiple streams of income. Think of it as diversifying your income portfolio. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, like walking a tightrope without a safety net. But with multiple income streams, you create a safety net for yourself. How? Let's break it down. Firstly, consider freelancing or consulting. Use your existing skills to offer services on a part-time basis. Next, investing. This could be in stocks, bonds, or real estate. And remember, investing doesn't necessarily require a large sum of money up front. It's about making your money work for you over time. Lastly, consider starting an online business. With the internet, the possibilities are endless. You could sell products, offer a course, or even start a blog. The key is to find something you're passionate about and turn it into a profitable venture. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is the key to building sustainable wealth. Habit 5, pay off bad debt as fast as you can. Picture this. You're trying to fill a bucket with water, but there's a hole at the bottom leaking it out just as quickly. That's what bad debt does to your wealth. It's the high-interest credit cards, the payday loans, the debt that's costing you more than it's helping. On the other hand, good debt, like a mortgage or student loans, can potentially improve your financial situation in the long run. It's like an investment in your future. But bad debt, it's like a weight around your neck, dragging you down. So how do you tackle it? Prioritize paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while still making minimum payments on your other debts. This is often called the avalanche method. Then, once the highest interest debt is paid off, move to the next one. Getting out of debt isn't easy, but it is worth it. Habit 6, invest consistently, even if it's small. The beauty of investing lies in the magic of compounding. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and gaining size as it continues its journey. That's what compounding does to your investments. Even small, regular contributions can build up to substantial amounts over time. This strategy is often more effective than trying to invest larger amounts sporadically. Consistent investing also helps smooth out the highs and lows of market fluctuations, reducing the risk of entering the market at a bad time. You could start with something as simple as index funds or exchange-traded funds, which are designed to track the performance of a specific market index. This way, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Habit 7, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and when it throws a curveball, an emergency fund is what keeps you steady. Think of it as a financial safety net, ready to catch you when you fall. Having a stash of cash to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses provides peace of mind, and it's an essential part of a robust financial plan. Imagine losing your job unexpectedly or facing a significant medical bill. With an emergency fund, you can navigate these challenges without sinking into debt. It's not about pessimism, but rather preparation. Begin by setting aside small amounts regularly, and over time you'll build a substantial emergency fund. This isn't money for vacations or luxury purchases, it's insurance against life's unforeseen expenses. When you have an emergency fund, you gain the freedom to make decisions based on what's best for you, not what's dictated by your bank account. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Habit 8, set realistic financial goals. It's not enough to just want to accumulate wealth. You need to know why you're doing it and what you plan to do with it. Perhaps you want to buy a house in 5 years, retire early, or travel the world. Whatever your dream is, it's critical to set precise, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or SMART goals. Why? Because vague intentions rarely lead to concrete results. Aim for clear, quantifiable targets. If your goal is to buy a house, find out how much you'll need for a down payment and set a timeline to save that amount. If early retirement is your aim, calculate how much you need to invest each month to make it happen. Break down your goals into manageable steps. This way, you're not overwhelmed by the enormity of the task and can celebrate small victories along the way. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Habit 9. Learn about money like it's a skill. Yes, that's right. Money management isn't something we're born knowing. It's a skill, one that can be honed and improved over time. Just like learning a new language or mastering a musical instrument, understanding money takes time and practice. And the great news is, the resources you need are right at your fingertips. Books are an excellent starting point. Titles like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or Your Money or Your Life offer valuable insights into the world of personal finance. If reading isn't your thing, don't worry. There are countless podcasts out there like The Dave Ramsey Show or Planet Money that provide easy-to-digest financial advice. And of course, there's YouTube, a treasure trove of financial wisdom. Channels like this one or others like Investing with Rose or The Financial Diet offer a wealth of information free of charge. But remember, the aim is not to become a financial expert overnight. It's about making progress bit by bit, day by day. It's about understanding that money is a tool, and like any tool, it's most effective when you know how to use it. So keep pushing, keep learning. Never stop learning, because the more you learn, the more you earn. And finally, habit 10, surround yourself with growth-oriented people. Just as a flower is influenced by its environment, so too are we shaped by the company we keep. It's crucial to seek out individuals who inspire you, who challenge you, who make you better. These are the people who will push you towards growth, towards success, towards financial freedom. They are the ones who will encourage you to invest wisely, to save diligently, and to spend conscientiously. Now, these growth-oriented people aren't necessarily millionaires or financial gurus. They could be friends who are fiscally responsible, family members who have a knack for investing, or even online communities dedicated to financial literacy. What matters is their mindset. They understand that wealth isn't acquired overnight. It's a journey, They appreciate the value of a dollar, the power of compound interest, the magic of diversification. They aren't afraid to make mistakes, to learn, to grow. Surrounding yourself with such individuals will not only provide you with a wealth of knowledge, but also create an environment conducive to your financial growth. It's a simple yet powerful habit that can significantly accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these life-changing money habits are you going to implement first? Is it automating your savings? Or perhaps you're ready to start investing consistently, even if it's just a small amount. Maybe you're going to tackle that bad debt head-on. No matter where you start, remember, the key is to take that first step. Don't be shy to share your thoughts and plans in the comments section below. It's always inspiring to see how we're all on this journey together, each making strides towards a more secure and prosperous financial future. If you found value in this video, do us a favor and hit that like button. It helps this video reach more people who could benefit from these habits. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. So, start today and see the difference these habits can make.